Good morning. It's Sunday. What is this? Really? Come on. I am getting ready for the day. My in-laws are coming over today to pick up the crib. It used to be Harmony's crib, but before it was Harmony's crib, our niece gave it to us, so we're giving it back to her because she has a baby. So they're gonna come pick it up because it doesn't fit in our Jeep. Otherwise we'd take it to Santa Paula for them. Filling in my eyebrows takes me a long time because my eyebrows are kind of non-existent in certain areas. But yeah, just gonna get ready. This is my little setup right here. I'm in the guest bathroom, and I have a cutting board over the sink because I don't have a lot of counter space. I just have this little piece. So yeah, this is where I get ready. So that is how I refresh my hair. Sometimes I use dry shampoo. It's this one here. I don't really recommend it. It smells really pretty. It smells really, really pretty, but it just makes my hair greasy. And after like the end of the day, my hair starts feeling way greasier than if I didn't put any dry shampoo at all. I have this comb that's like, I don't know, but it came with my Numi straightener. I got it a couple of years ago. Actually 5 years ago. I got it in 2014. But just gonna go ahead and do my hair real quick. And it's already pretty much straightened, but I just have to kind of go over it because you can tell these areas are not looking too hot. So what this is for is it's really good for short hair. Lets you grab the pieces so you can straighten them without like burning your fingers or anything. All right, so hair's done. Oh, I checked on her, she was still sleeping, but you can check again. That was like 30 minutes ago. All right, hair is done. Now I like to take some hairspray and this comb. I had to spray it a bunch of times because it wasn't coming out, and then I just comb through it, and this flattens all of my flyaways, but I also like to comb through it in every direction so that my hair just like lays flat in every direction. And then sometimes I'll just take this and tuck it behind my ear, and I'm done. So this is my beautiful sand Yeti, and yesterday my heart was ripped out of my chest when I was trying to fill it up by holding it with one hand, and I dropped it and it dented right here and right here at the bottom. Oh my gosh, I screamed, and there was like water and ice all over the whole kitchen floor. But I was more hurt at the fact that my beautiful Yeti that I take such good care of, it's all dented. I have done a terrible job at vlogging. Last time I saw you guys in the clip before this, it was like Sunday, and it's Tuesday. So we just ran a ton of errands right now. We had to go to Dollar Tree and buy like one of those like packing envelopes. And then we went to Target to return her toothpaste and get her a different kind, and then we went to the UPS store. So while we were at Target, I found a couple of things and I want to show them to you guys because they're super cute. All right, so first one, I found these like t-shirts that are super cute. So this is the first one here. It's like a burnt orange, tan, and blue. It's super pretty. These were originally $8, but I actually they were on sale for $5, so I got that one. I did also get an army print one. This one's a little bit thicker, $5. And then I got just like a basic striped one. This one's a little thinner than the other ones, and it's a swoop neck rather than a v-neck. Stop making those noises. All right, she is desperate to show you guys. What is it? What'd you get?
Kinetic sand.
I don't know if it's kinetic sand, but it's like play sand. And every time we go, we see this. And I offer to buy it for her, and she never wants it. And then usually when we get home, she cries that she wants it. So today that we went, we actually got it for her. And then her toothpaste, which is around here somewhere. I don't know what happened to it. Alright, so I told you guys in the last video that I was going to show you how to make my delicious concoction of a smoothie. Basically, all you're going to need is like a blender. And then I pre-brewed this coffee last night, but you can do it ahead of time, like, I don't know, an hour or something, and then just put it in the freezer. And then take it out to make sure it's cold. Because if you brew hot coffee straight into it, it's not going to be as good. Like, it's going to be good, but it's not going to be as good. So, some pre-brewed coffee. It's cold. All I did in the Keurig was hit 8 ounces of strong brew, and that's it. And then I'm going to take, I should have said this before. Oh my god. Really?
I'm going to do it first.
Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to take a frozen banana. And these, all I did was like buy regular bananas and then just chop them up and freeze them. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and take a spoonful of peanut butter. All right. Then you're gonna do a scoop of like a chocolate meal replacement or a chocolate protein powder. Choose whatever kind you like. I'm not gonna tell you what kind I'm using because I'm not a nutritionist. So just choose whatever kind of chocolate powder that you like. 1 scoop of that. All right, then we're gonna go ahead and put some ice in here just until like the max fill line. All right, I got my ice. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and add a splash of almond milk till the liquid is to the max fill. Then just go ahead and blend her on up. All right, so just go ahead and blend her up. Right, and it's ready. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of spinach, but I'm not going to do that today because I added peanut butter and I don't like the flavor of like spinach and peanut butter. But here it is. It's all ready. Let's try it. It's all chocolatey and coffee-y. It tastes like a peanut butter chocolate coffee frappuccino. It is so good. So I hope you guys try it. If you do, don't forget, you saw it here first. I made this up. I didn't see it anywhere else. I like legit just made this up on my own. Let me just show you guys. It's like icy and slushy and it's so good. All right, so it's Thursday now and I just got back from the grocery store, so I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. Now I already have like some produce, so I didn't buy that much produce in this run. But first off, I picked up some of that Kodiak Cakes pancake and flapjack. Kodiak Cakes, Power Cakes, Flapjack, and Waffle Mix. I always see people posting about this or talking about it, so I wanted to try it. And I got a can of corn, a head of cabbage, some pasta sauce. For this one, I got the roasted garlic parmesan because I really don't like the taste of like the jarred Alfredo sauces. And then I got a bag of potatoes. And in this bag, I got some eggs, hash browns, vegetarian sausages. Now, I really like to get these from Costco. I should have just waited and got them from Costco tomorrow. I forgot we're going tomorrow. And then we got some whole grain spaghetti. 2 liters of Coke. Fun fact or random fact, I actually don't drink soda. I mean, I've had sips of it here and there, but I full on haven't drank soda in like, I want to say, what's it, 2009, like 8 or 9 years or something like that. So sour cream, I'll have it on occasion, like if it's in like a drink, like a like tequila and squirt or something, or sometimes I'll take a sip of Cesar soda, but I really don't drink soda. And then I got some white hominy because I'm actually going to be making pozole, or vegetarian pozole, which is pretty much just hominy caldo, but I did get like radishes and the cabbage and stuff. So here's the radishes, cheese, some soy chorizo. I love soy chorizo, but we try not to have it like that often. I forgot to get beans, shoot. But I got pepper jack cheese. I really wanted to get beans and I completely forgot. I got some cuties. I know a lot of you guys are against this brand, I'm sorry. And then I got a package of green onion dip. I love green onion dip. So, and then I got some hamburger buns. I like the ones with the sesame seeds. That's funny. Sesame seeds in Spanish is ajonjolí. Does it have it in Spanish? No, but they're called ajonjolí in Spanish, which I think it's so freaking random. I got my favorite sponges, which are these Dawn sponges. Please excuse my nails. I'm giving my nails a little breather from the gels, but they keep breaking. And I got a loaf of white bread because we just like it. We've tried other breads and we just always go back to white bread. And then some foil. So that's pretty much all we got. Just a couple of little things that I needed just to fill up the kitchen because we had like spinach and mushrooms, but then like nothing to make with it, just spinach and mushrooms. Like I'm not just gonna have spinach and mushrooms. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I did also stop at Dollar Tree and I picked up some of these bins. These ones are these taller ones. I got 5 of these. These are going to be for Harmony's closet because we are redoing her closet. And then I got these for my closet. They're a little smaller, but I think they're going to be too tall for my closet. We are making some of those Kodiak cakes, pancakes. She's a little bit upset because she extended her feet and they almost touched the hot griddle. So I'm about to flip these. And I'm just cooking up some hash browns over here. These are just the ones I showed you I bought the other day. So I'm going to try to flip these while I'm holding the camera. Let's see how that goes. If you haven't watched Cesar's pancake video showing you how to make pancakes, you should, because he is the master. Perfect. Look at how good these look, love. Sorry if the camera keeps going in and out of focus. It's kind of broken. Perfect. Let's try this one. Do these look so yummy? Oop. Oops. Y'all, I just threw down the bombest vegetarian pozole. I never knew that a lot of the flavor comes from the hominy, so it literally tastes like I made it with meat, but I didn't. And of course I did the salsa on the side exactly like my mom taught me, and all the fixins. Cesar doesn't even really like pozole, and look at his bowl.
No, I like pozole.
He does.
So good. Oh my gosh. Even Harmony's eating it, and she is picky. Hi, picky picky. Is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
How do you say, what are you eating? What are you eating? Tell me.
Pozole.
Pozole.